This is Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 7. Cooking with SnowBikes and one sled. It took them a long
The only sled up here. The rest of them are deleting comments on the group chat.
Got some delicious pizza here. I broke the 1 hour rule. It's been about 2. And my buddy Adam's having some technical difficulties down the hill, so I'm gonna scarf this down and then we're gonna go find him. Put some hot peppers on here. She's a little soggy. I think I might have been in the snow today. It's gonna be tasty though. Well, yeah, no, this is a creation of creations for sure. Oh man, she's stuck.
I'll get the first aid kit if you burn your lip.
Ooh. Smells real delicious from here.
It was very good. Cooking with SnowBikes. Look at this view. It's gorgeous.
Try not to
Slow
fall.
down.
You.
So we're out here at the 2023 Snowdown. This is flag 10. It's one of the super hard ones. We just dropped down this hill. And then we found these guys here. And it looks like by count that
We are the Snowdown.
What you doing there?
Potato fest! I was just trying to take down this live tree. It looked good to be burnt. I got one.
Live.
Okay.
Hey Adam.
Hey Adam, you earned one, little buddy.
What did he earn? Oh, potato. You're a potato.
Don't worry about it.
Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 8 here at
Thank God for friends with Yamahas. They can cook our lunch.
Yeah, pizza, boys.
Leftover pizza. It's delicious. Hook me up with some.
Oh, Corey, you got some sauce on your face.
Hold on.
Yeah,
I
he
gotta
does.
hand off. I gotta hand off the second.
No, you really do
the
have
second
some
meal.
sauce on your face there, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
oh wow.
You got
Nice.
little cuts.
Yeah, a couple little. Yeah, that'll happen. Here.
What do you got there?
This is leftover pizza from last night. It's gonna go back into the Yamaha for the second course.
Yep.
We're gonna trade off.
Oh, look at that. It's got, look at the
Look
crispy
at that.
on
Look at the crisp on that.
He is the parchment paper.
Whew. I only want to be friends with guys with Yamahas from now on.
Pull that back in.
Another day, another flag. It's beauty out here. It's time for me to eat some pizza as well. Cooking for a bit. So again, just marinating underneath the rev up engine jacket on the YZ450F. It's been in there for a couple hours. Oh yeah. Oh, she's steamy. Well, that's hot.
Eddie, you must have been on the gas.
Nothing better than some za in the bush with some good buddies.
Right? So good. So good. Yeah.
How's the crispy?
It's the perfect amount of crispy.
It's not dick shaped though. So
How's that bush light though? Perfect amount of crispy. Oh, it's crispy. Put that fucking camera off, Jeff.
This is Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 9. We're out here in the bush. Got Gordo here. He doesn't want to be in the video. We're gonna eat some seafood fettuccine. Got some mussels, got some scallops. It's gonna be delicious. It's really hot. Look at this. We got mussels and shrimp. Oh, this is gonna be good. Yummy.